There's a second part to the Pangaea idea, or the idea of the supercontinent, and that is from the supercontinent breaking up and forming the continents that we know today. They're on their way to traveling around the world, meeting up again, obviously stopping because they collide on the other side of the Earth, the sphere. You don't see it here. And then they reverse course and they come back and they form a supercontinent again. Which in a sense, they must have formed a supercontinent on the other side if all the continents drifted away from one another, met up on the other side of the Earth, since it is a sphere. Then it must have formed a supercontinent there, but they don't call that supercontinent the second supercontinent. They wait till it comes back around, all the continents come back around, somehow they reverse course. I don't know by which means of force, what's the driving force for them to reverse course and, you know, come back 180 degrees back together again into what they call, the theorists call, Pangaea Prima, or in other words, prime. In other words, the next Pangaea. And they say that this has already happened 20 times, according to them. As a matter of fact, the Pangaea that we live in, we're Pangaea today. I mean, obviously, we're Pangaea broken up into parts, into continents. But according to them, this has already happened 20 times. There's already been 20 supercontinents. And now they're going to form another one when we come back from our trip around the world. You know, I just, you know, hey, I guess when you're creating a theory, you can pretty much say whatever you feel like, you know. So that would be silly putty theory number 2. That would be silly putty 2.